Hello students, let us move for the next lesson in the exercise 5.2. So this is the third sum almost. Let's read the sum. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand is 5 minutes. Let us consider this is a clock image, round clock actually, and this thing is a hour hand and this is the minute hand. I think you know about that minute hand. If once it is rotated, that is called as a 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes and it is equal to the 1 hour. Okay, almost you know that. So this the length of this minute hand clock will be the length of this, radius of the circle, it is that should be 14 centimeter, what they have provided in the given. Okay, so consider this length of the minute hand clock, it should be the radius of the circle. Okay, because minute hand always touches to the circumference of the circle, this should be the circumference of the circle. So if it is touches to the circumference, it should be equal to the 14 centimeter, that radius equal to the 14 centimeter. So once if it is, first we have to calculate how many distance it should take if it is once traveled. If once we are taken a circumference, we can get how much distance it can travel. So let us calculate that first. Okay, in that, so length of the minute hand clock is 14 centimeter. Angle swept by the minute in 1 minute. Angle, circumference it is, that is angle. So we have to calculate the angle here. Angle swept by the minute hand. Angle swept by the minute hand in 1 minute. In 1 minute. 1 minute we have to take that. So that should be, angle should be, I think you know about that, the complete angle, circle angle will be 360 degree. So on 1 minute it is 60 degree, right? So for 1 minute for 1 hour it is 60, so that's why 60. So 1010 cancel and 6 36. So this is a 6 degree angle swept by the minute hand in 1 minute. 1 minute in the sense, if this minute hand, if it is comes to the next 1 minute, so this angle will be 60 degree. 6 degree it is, this angle will be 6 degree. Note down that. In the same way, in 5 minute, find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minute we want to find out now. So now we have to calculate the angle swept by the minute hand in 1 minute it is. In 5 minute we have to calculate now. Angle swept by the minute hand in how many minutes? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Let us calculate that. So 1 minute 6 degree and for 5 minutes 5 into 6 degree. So nothing but it is 5 6 you know that 5 6 30. So that should be the 30 degree. So now we got the value of theta. It's nothing but angle nothing but the theta. So it is theta equal to 30 degree. So they are asking find the area. So let us take the formula. Area of a sector. Area of sector, the formula will be theta, you know that already, theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So let us substitute the value. Theta, how much we got now here? So this is the theta is 30 degree, right? So 30 divided by 360 into pi will be, pi value is 22 by 7 into r, they only has given, that is nothing but the 14 into 14, right? Okay, 1010 cancel, 3 1s are 3 2s are 12, it is 7 1s are 7 2s are, again 2 6 are 12, 2 11s are, it is 2 6 are, okay, again from 2 1s are 2 3s are, okay. So finally we got 11 into 14 divided by 3. Okay. So that is, here I am writing because due to shortage of space. What we got? 11 into 14. Nothing but 11 into 14. 14 ones are 14. 1 carry. 14 ones are 14 plus 1. 15. 154 divided by 3. 154 divided by 3. So this should be, area of a sector is 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, and 3 1s are 3, almost point. Okay, one reminder, 3 3s are 9. Yes, 1 point after 1 0, it is 3 3s centimeter square. So area of a sector is 51.3 centimeter square. Hope you will understand. Let us move for the next fourth one. That is, let's read the sum this thing. A chord of a circle, of radius 10 centimeter, subtended a right angle at the center. Find the area of the minor segment and also the major segment. Okay, find the area of the minor segment as well as the major segment we want to find out. Okay, this is the chord. It is chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. So this AO is a 10, and also this is also OB is also radius, that is also 10 centimeter, right? Okay, right angled at the center. It is right angled at the center. Find the area of minor segment as well as major segment. So this is called as a major segment, and this is called as a minor segment. Let us calculate. I think you know about that in the formula of area of segment actually. So what is the formula for area of segment? I taught you already. The area of segment is, that is the area of sector OAB, one sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. Okay, so for this we calculate this, we want to find out the area of sector OAB first and then area of triangle. Okay, so area of triangle. So if you are taken the first area of triangle OAB, let us calculate area of triangle OAB. So you know that half into base into height, it is the formula will be, and it is right angled at the center. That will mean that nothing but the 1 will be the altitude of that. So half into base into height. Let us calculate that. Half into base will be 10 and height will be 10. That 10 into 10. So 2 5s are 10. 10 5s are is 50. 50 centimeter square. Area always mentioned by the unit centimeter square. Next we have to find out the area of a sector. Area of sector OAB. So this is a sector OAB. So the sector, in the sense, I think you know about that formula, theta divided by 360 into pi r square, right? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So this theta has given because it is subtended at a right angle. Right angle in the sense it should be a 90 degree. It should be 90 degree. So we can take 90 divided by 360 into pi r square. Pi value is 22 divided by 7 and r will be 10. R square in the sense 10 into 10. Don't search where it is theta. Theta is nothing but a right angle. Okay, it is 90 degree because they has given 90 degree. Right angle means, here I am writing, right angle means how much? It is 90 degree. This is a theta. Okay. So let us cancel 0 and 0 in both the side. Now 9 1s are 9 4s are 9 4s are 36. Now from 2 2s are 2 11s are, again from 2 1s are 2 5s are. Okay, next 7 by 7 nothing. First you have to multiply the numerator. 11 into 5 into 10, nothing but 5 tens are 50. 50 into 11, 11 5s are 55, 10, 550. 5 tens are 50, 50 into 11, I mean for 11 5s are 55, 55 tens are 550 divided by 7. So area of sector we got here 7 and 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, it's more, so 7 7s are 49, remainder will be 6 60 it is, again 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, it is more, 7 8s are 56, 4 will be the remainder, point after 40 it is, 7 5s are 7 6 are 42, 7 5s are 35, almost 78.5 centimeter square. So let us take the area of segment, I mean area of minor segment we have to calculate first. Area of minor segment. Minor segment. So that formula I told you already, area of a segment, that is area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. Okay, so that thing we have to take area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. So area of sector OAB, what we got here, sector OAB is 78.5 minus area of triangle OAB is 50. Okay, so 78.5 minus 50, point after one number is there, 10. 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 0 is 8, and 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, so totally we got here 28.5 equal to 28.5 centimeter square. Area should be mentioned in a centimeter square. So next we have to calculate the major segment, because this is the major segment. So once area of the circle, area of this circle and area of the major segment, I think circle diagram can you see properly, I don't know because I am writing in a pencil. So this is a circle actually. So area of a circle minus area of the minor segment. So area of this minor segment we got the area of major segment, right? Okay, in like that we can take. So to find out that, we have to calculate first area of circle. Area of circle. So area of a circle, you know that formula, that is the nothing but a pi r square. Pi value is 22 by 7 into r is 10, r square in the sense 10 into 10. So r square in the sense it should be 10 into 10. So now it should be 22 tens it's not divisible by 7 no easily. So 22 tens 220, 220 into 10 will be again 22 ones first number 2 zeros, easy, very easy. Okay, if it should be like that, first number you have to multiply, then put zeros, divided by 7. How many times it is? 7 threes are almost, it is 7 threes are 21, 1 carry 10, 7 ones are 7, 3 30, 7 fours are 28. Next point 2 20. Next almost it is 7 fours are 28. Yes, 7 threes are 21. 1 10, 7 ones are 7, 3 30, 7 fours are 28, 0.2, 7 20, it's become 7 twos are 14. Almost. Okay, area of circle is 314 minus 314.2 centimeter square. So this is the area of circle. Now we have to calculate the area of major segment. Area of major segment, the second one it is. The formula for area of major segment is area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of minor segment. Yes, area of a circle is 314.2 minus area of minor segment we got here 28.5. 28.5. So how much we got finally? Let us subtract this 314.2 and write numbers properly, point after one number 5 and 28. Okay, and here also writing a number is very important, keep in mind. 12 minus 5 is 7 and 13 here, 13 minus 8 is 5 and here 10 minus 2 is 8, then 285.7 centimeter square. So this is the area of major segment. Yes, this is the area of major segment and this is the area of minor segment, what they are asking. Let's move for the fifth one. This is the fifth one. Let us read the sum first. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtend an angle 60 degree. So this is the radius. This is a circle and this radius is 21 centimeter. Both the side it will be 21 centimeter only. And subtend an angle at 60 degree. This angle will be 60 degree. Find the length of the arc. We want to find the length of the arc. Okay, length of the arc, and also the second one is area of sector formed in arc and area of segment formed by the arc. Okay, so first we have to calculate the length of the arc. Length of the arc or length of the arc sector, I told you the formula already. This is the length of the arc, theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. The same formula we can use here. Length of the arc, the first one will be length, length, length of arc. What's the formula? Theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta will be angle that has given, that equal to the 60 divided by 360 into 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r they only has given, that is 21. Okay, so now 1010 get cancelled, 6 ones are 6 it is, and 7 ones are 7 threes are, again from 2 ones are 2 threes are, again 3 get cancelled, remaining will be 22. So the length of arc is length, length of arc is how much it's remain, that is the 22 centimeter. Okay, hope you will understand. Let's move for the second one, which is within asking to find out area of a sector formed by the arc. Okay, let's calculate the area of the sector now. So area of the sector, you know the formula already. So area of a sector is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So we can take that same. Okay, so that is the area of a sector. Area of yes, we have to calculate the area of sector now. Area of sector, so that equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60 divided by 360 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r is 21 into r square, no, so that's why we want to write twice. Okay, 1010 get cancelled, 6 ones are 6 are, 7 ones are 7 threes are, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 2 11s are, it is. So remaining in the denominator nothing, no number is there. So in a numerator 11 into 21, I mean 21 into 11. So that equal to 11 ones are 11, 1 carry, 11 twos are 22 plus 1 23, 231 centimeter square. This is also area of sector. So next we have to move for the area of segment. Area of segment formed by the chord. Yes, we have to move for the area of segment. So for this, I think you know the formula for area of segment, that is the formula for area of segment. Once again I'll recall you, that is what, area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. So area of sector we know, so that thing, area of triangle we want to take, area of triangle OAB. Area of segment formula is, what is the formula for area of segment? Area of sector OAB, area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. So for this we have to calculate the first area of triangle OAB. So we have to calculate the area of triangle OAB. This is I mean we can take this as a equilateral triangle, because 21 into 21 will be there. So let us calculate first area of triangle OAB, and it is a 60 degree. It is area of triangle OAB, it is in equilateral triangle. OAB is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral in the sense two sides are equal. Equilateral triangle. So therefore the area of equilateral triangle is, area of triangle OAB is, I think you know about that, root 3 divided by 4 side square it is, or L square it is called as, area of equilateral triangle is. So therefore area of triangle OAB, area of triangle OAB, keep in mind, so the equilateral triangle area should be root 3 divided by 4 into side square, L square it's generally called, L in the sense length, I mean side square, or A square we can call as it as. So root 3 divided by 4 into side will be 21, nothing but that 21 into 21, side square means 21 into 21, we can write like that. Okay, so it's become how much, it is root 3 only, 21 21s we got or root 3 divided by 4, yes, 21 into 21 we got finally 441. Let's calculate this, 21 into 21, so 1 1s are 1, then 1 2s are 2, from 2 2 1s are 2, again 2 2s are 4, 1 2 2s are 2 plus 2 4 441 it is. Okay, so we got 441 divided by 4 root 3, root 3 will be there, no, so the same area of triangle OAB. So let us substitute for the area of segment, area of minor segment or area of segment formed by the chord. Area of segment is area of sector OAB. What is the formula of area of sector OAB? We got 231, it is 231 minus, so this is the area of triangle OAB, that is the 441 divided by 4 root 3. Okay, so this is the area of segment. We can solve this, but enough it is, I think. If you solve up to this, may it is enough, they will give a mark, don't worry. So area of a segment, the third one answer is 231 minus 441 divided by 4 root 3 centimeter square. So write the unit of this. Hope you will understand this. Up to will enough. Thank you.